In today's video, we are going to learn the lowercase alphabet. The lowercase alphabet, yes, which can also be called the small letters of the English alphabet. Wow! They are A, the baby letter A, yeah, A. The next alphabet is B, C, D, E, F, G, wow, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, wow, P, Q, R, X, T, U, V, W, X, good job, Y, and Z. The letter Z. The English alphabet are 26 in number, the capital letters and the small letters. Now, can we still remember the small letters? Yes. So let's do that again, and this time faster. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, X, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yeah! Good job! These are the lower letters of the English alphabet, the baby letters of the English alphabet. Quiz time. Can you write the lowercase d? Yeah, D. Now write the lowercase f. Good job. Write the lowercase h. Good job. Now, can you still remember the lowercase x? Great. And the lowercase t? Also, can you write the lowercase v? Good. And the lowercase j is? Great job. You did it. Great job. You are smart and brilliant. Bye-bye. Hey.